Have you ever wished you could blend your favorite smoothie while on a hike, at a beach party, or even during a long road trip? Well, that dream is now a reality with the best portable blenders on the market. From compact wonders to sleek powerhouses, these cordless marvels will have you blending on the go like a pro. So buckle up and get ready to sip your favorite drinks anywhere you please. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. PopBabies Portable Blender, our pick for best affordable portable blender. Looking for a blender buddy that won't break the bank? Say hello to the PopBabies Portable Blender. Now, it might play a bit of hide-and-seek online, often popping up in its updated version attire with a smaller jar. But fear not, the classic OG version can still be snagged straight from the PopBabies website. Unlike its blending brethren, this cheeky little blender keeps its blades tucked snugly inside the jar, giving it a unique twist. Sure, cleaning can be a bit of a finger yoga session, since the opening isn't exactly a red carpet entrance for your hand. But hey, on the bright side, you can break off the motor base bond and take just the jar out for a lighter travel companion. Though it might not boast the same sturdy build or ninja-like stealth as the Ninja Blast, the PopBabies can still whip up a fairly smooth blend, especially for those leafy greens enthusiasts. Need ice for your icy concoctions? The jar says, "Sorry mate, regular size cubes don't fit here." But fret not. A mini ice cube tray is on the house to create perfectly sized frosty nuggets. And hold the phone. A silicone funnel joins the party to make ingredient loading a breeze. With a battery that can handle about 20 blending dances, each 20 seconds long, this blender is ready to shake up your smoothie game. Number 4. OTPEIR Personal Size, our pick for best compact portable blender. Oh, the Fresh Juice Personal Blender, the undercover hero of compact kitchen gadgets. This little powerhouse can handle nuts, frozen fruits, and ice like a pro, blending up smooth drinks with zero leftover bits. Sure, the jar's narrow mouth means a bit of chopping and crushing before your ingredients get cozy, but hey, it's like a mini pre-blend workout, right? And once your concoction is smooth as silk, you can sip straight from the blender or pour it out like a smoothie savant. Now let's chat design. That loop handle? Too cute. But in the usability department, we hit a few bumps. Filling this bad boy can be a bit tricky, especially with those pesky protein powders and leafy greens. Plus, no measurements on the jar means it's a guessing game. And don't get me started on the manual fine print and hand washing all parts, a necessary evil for keeping this blender looking fly. Also, the magnetic charging base is a slick touch, unless you're blending on the go and need that USB connection. In snazzy black, white, pink, or yellow, this blender is not just a kitchen tool, it's a style statement. So, who needs bulky blenders when you have this pint-sized powerhouse on your countertop? Still searching for the perfect portable blender? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Nutribullet Pro 900, our pick for best bullet portable blender. Considering which blending wonder to bring into your kitchen? Look no further than this gem, the Nutribullet Pro 900 series blender. It comes in a range of snazzy colors and offers a plethora of bottle attachments for those on-the-go sipping sensations. While it may not be a magic trick-level portable blender, the level of convenience it offers is practically mesmerizing. This sleek beast excels at whipping up sublime smoothies and shakes. Green concoctions emerge flawlessly, with nary a berry seed or fiber left untouched. Even the toughest kale stands no chance against its pulverizing powers, and it handles nuts and seeds like a dream. Operating this bad boy is a breeze. Its bullet-style design ensures every last bit in the cup gets a taste of the blend. Just twist on the lid, lock it onto the robust blending base, and watch the magic unfold. Plus, it comes with a handy screw-on handle and sip-friendly lids. Cleanup? Easy peasy. Everything but the blades is dishwasher safe, and rinsing the blades is a cinch. However, this blendy buddy is corded, so blending on the move isn't in its repertoire. And with just a solitary speed setting, experimenting with recipes might take a hit. When put to the test with thicker mixtures like hummus, it didn't quite hit the mark. But for smoothies and shakes that pack a punch, it's a stellar choice. Number 2, BlenderX, our pick for best premium portable blender. Meet the blender that's the fancy sports car of the blending world. It's not the cheapest whip, but boy, is it a powerhouse. Imagine making slushies and frosty mojitos like it's nobody's business. This bad boy can crush ice and nuts with ease, although it might leave a tiny chunk or two behind. Rebels. Setting it up can be as intricate as solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. But hey, challenge accepted. And let's not beat around the bush. This blender can get as loud as my neighbor's 4th of July fireworks. Operating it is like a balancing act. Holding the button for the perfect blend demands patience, but the results are worth the wait. It's a pro at handling pulse control for dishes like pesto. Texture game strong. After all the blending glory, swap the blade for a sipping-ready lid, ensuring no accidental finger nicks post-blitz. Plus, it comes with a fancy case and a charger. Just a heads up, the charger needs a good old electrical outlet. No USB charm here, so road trips might need a bit more planning. You guessed it, the BlenderX is where the blendtastic pulse control sound crushing party's at. Let's get that smoothie party started. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cuisinart EvolutionX, our pick for best portable blender overall. Hey, you adventurous souls craving a blender that can make your camp buddies holler, blend it like Beckham. Meet the Cuisinart EvolutionX cordless rechargeable personal blender. This mighty kitchen companion might be a tad heftier than your average blender on the go, but boy, does it bring the blender thunder for your camping escapades, road trips, or off-the-grid shenanigans demanding a blend-and-go attitude. Sure, you'll need to dance around with its blade assembly, motor base, and jar like a true blending maestro, but here's why it's worth the juggling act. Picture this, a 20-minute battery life. Hello, Marathon Blender. Silky smooth blends, just a tweak away from flawless. And the ability to whip up nut butter like it's child's play with its 2-cup full-batch enchantment. This bad boy owns the versatility game, making its competitors feel like yesterday's smoothie wreck. While it might take a breath on the tough blends, remember, Rome wasn't conquered in a day, and neither is the elixir of the gods. So, if you're scouting for a blender that screams power and adaptability for your nomad's cabin or cozy camper, the Cuisinart EvolutionX is here to shake things up. Time to blend up a storm and conquer your culinary quests. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of best portable blender. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which portable blender you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen! Thanks for watching! We will see you in our next videos.